interactive web application built using React.js. The main purpose of this project is to demonstrate my understanding of React's core concepts, such as state management, props, and component-based architecture. The application consists of two main components, app and counter. The app component is the parent, where the counter value is stored using React's useState hook. The state allows the counter value to be dynamic, so it changes when the user interacts with the application. The counter component is the child component. It receives data and functions from the parent through props. Specifically, it receives the current counter value and three functions, increment, decrement, and reset. The child component uses these props to display the counter value and handle button clicks, demonstrating how data and functions can be passed between components. The application has a modern UI with a blue gradient background and a glass blur effect card for the counter. Users can increment, decrement, or reset the counter using intuitive buttons. This project not only showcases my ability to implement functional React applications, but also demonstrates good practices in component design, state management, and props usage. In conclusion, this counter app is a small but complete example of a React project, where I applied core concepts of React, including functional components, state, props, event handling, and styling using JSX. It is a perfect project to demonstrate my understanding of React fundamentals and interactive UI development.